17, you got a laptop, $400 in a brokerage account, and a burning desire to retire before you're old enough to rent a car. Why? Is it because you love macroeconomics, or because you're scared that if you don't make it now, you're stuck in a 9-to-5 life of fluorescent lights and lukewarm coffee? Let's be honest, you don't want to trade. You want to escape. The algorithm lied to you. It showed you a guy in Dubai, standing next to a rented Huracan, telling you drawing 3 lines on a chart is a cheat code to life. It's not. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money, and you don't even care about the trade. Most people think trading is about predicting the future. It's not. It's about managing your present ego. Wealth is a byproduct of being right and being patient. But you're impatient because you're trying to buy a status you haven't earned yet. Think about it. Why did you revenge trade yesterday? It wasn't because the setup was there. It was because you couldn't handle the fact that the market told you no. You took it personally. You treated a candlestick like a personal insult. That's not trading. That's a therapy session with a very expensive bill. Trading is 80% psychology and 20% technicals. You can memorize every fair value gap and head and shoulders pattern until your eyes bleed. It won't matter if your mind is a chaotic mess of FOMO and insecurity. You will find a way to lose money with the best strategy on earth. A monkey can be taught to click buy at a support level, but a monkey doesn't feel the soul-crushing urge to double down after a loss. If you want to actually win, stop looking at the charts and start looking in the mirror. Mastering the technicals takes a month. Mastering your own brain takes a lifetime. Most of you will quit before you even start that second part. But if you're the 1% who realizes that your edge isn't in a magic indicator, but in your ability to remain bored while everyone else is panicking, then you might have a chance. The psychology is the game. The technicals are just the scoreboard. If you want to actually understand the 80% that matters, follow this channel. Or don't. The market will take your money either way. Subscribe if you're ready to stop gambling and start thinking. Or just go back to TikTok.